been powering through everything: meetings, emails, responsibilities. But lately, it's like your posture tells a story. Slumped, tired, disconnected. This is your moment to realign, not just your spine, but your center. Let's hit the mat. When stress piles on, your spine stiffens and your breath shortens. This resets both. Start on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees and hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone, cow. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to chest, cat. Let each breath guide the movement, slow, fluid, intentional. I promise this move is how you unlock your breath and release tension you didn't even know you were holding. If your wrists feel sensitive, come onto your fists or forearms. We're just getting started. Next one opens you up even more. Now that your back's loose, let's open the chest. After days hunched over a laptop, your chest closes, but this helps you stand tall again. Come to a kneeling or seated position, interlace your fingers behind your back, straighten your arms and gently lift your chest or up if comfortable. Focus on expanding your heart space. Breathe into that tightness. I promise this move is how you unlock your confidence and upright posture. Too tight? Just reach your arms back without clasping the hands. Do you feel your collarbones spreading open yet? Now that your chest is open, we're going to wake up your hips. Your hips carry the load when life gets heavy. This builds strength while releasing tension. Kneel with your toes flat and hands on your hips. Slowly lean your torso back, keeping your body in one line, then rise back up. Feel your thighs and core engage, your hips lengthen. I promise this move is how you unlock posture from the ground up. Keep the range small if you feel wobbly. Just lean slightly back and return. Hold for 5 more seconds. Stay with it. Now that your base is strong, let's soften everything forward. When your mind is racing, folding forward helps you quiet the noise. Sit with legs straight in front. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale and gently fold forward from the hips, reaching towards your toes or shins. Let your head drop. Let your breath slow everything down. I promise this move is how you unlock calm in the chaos. Bend your knees slightly if your hamstrings feel tight. You've come this far. Stay with me. Let's finish with something simple but powerful. Your neck holds tension from every yes you say when you wanted to say no. Sit comfortably, ear toward your right shoulder. Slowly roll your head forward and to the left. Pause, then roll the arms away. Keep it slow. Let gravity do the work. I promise this move is how you unlock grace in the small things you carry. If full circles feel too intense, just tilt side to side. Let's make this last one your strongest hold yet. Take one deep breath in through your nose and exhale everything out.